Have you ever wondered how your brake lights illuminate the instant you press the brake pedal? Every time you press the brake pedal, the switch activates the brake lights immediately, alerting drivers behind you that your vehicle is slowing down. There are two common types of brake light switches used in vehicles: the mechanical brake switch and the pressure type brake switch. Today, we'll take a closer look at the pressure type brake switch, explore its construction, and understand exactly how it operates. A pressure-type brake switch is an electrical device that uses hydraulic brake pressure to activate the brake lights. It is typically installed in the master cylinder or brake line, where it can monitor changes in brake fluid pressure. When the driver presses the brake pedal, the master cylinder generates hydraulic pressure throughout the brake system. This pressure acts on a diaphragm located inside the pressure switch. As the hydraulic pressure rises to a predetermined level, the diaphragm moves and closes a set of electrical contacts. Once these contacts close, the electrical circuit is completed, allowing current to flow to the brake lights and illuminating them instantly. When the driver releases the brake pedal, the hydraulic pressure decreases. A spring inside the switch returns the diaphragm to its original position, causing the electrical contacts to open. As a result, the circuit is broken and the brake lights turn off. However, like any component, it can fail over time. A faulty pressure switch may cause the brake lights to stay on continuously or fail to illuminate at all. Although small and often overlooked, the pressure-type brake switch plays a critical role in vehicle safety by ensuring that other drivers are alerted whenever the brakes are applied. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.